In this lesson, we will explore turnover ratios and fill rates, two of the most important metrics used to measure inventory performance and operational efficiency. Together, they provide valuable insight into how effectively a company manages its inventory to meet customer demand while minimizing costs. Let's start with the inventory turnover ratio. This key performance indicator measures how many times a company sells and replaces its inventory within a specific period, typically a year. It reflects how efficiently inventory is being used to generate sales. The formula is straightforward. Inventory turnover equals cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. A high turnover ratio indicates that inventory is moving quickly, suggesting strong sales or lean stock levels. A low turnover ratio may point to overstocking, slow-moving products, or weak demand. For example, if a company has a cost of goods sold of $1,000 and an average inventory value of $200,000, the inventory turnover ratio would be 5. This means the company sells and replenishes its inventory 5 times per year. While a higher ratio often signals efficiency, excessively high turnover could also mean frequent stockouts or missed sales opportunities due to insufficient stock. Closely related to turnover is days sales of inventory, or DSI. This metric shows how many days on average it takes to sell the current inventory. It's calculated by dividing the number of days in a period by the turnover ratio. A lower DSI indicates that inventory is moving quickly, while a higher DSI suggests slower turnover and potential overstocking. Both metrics should be analyzed together to strike the right balance between availability and efficiency. Now let's move to fill rates. The fill rate, also known as the order fulfillment rate, measures how effectively a company can meet customer demand directly from available stock. It is calculated as the percentage of customer orders fulfilled without delay or back orders. The formula is fill rate equals number of orders fulfilled from stock divided by total orders multiplied by 100. For instance, if a company receives 1,000 customer orders and fulfills 950 of them immediately from available inventory, the fill rate is 95%. A high fill rate indicates excellent product availability and customer satisfaction. However, maintaining very high fill rates often requires holding more inventory, which increases carrying costs. A lower fill rate, on the other hand, may reduce costs, but risks customer dissatisfaction and lost sales. The goal is to find the optimal balance between service level and inventory investment. There are different types of fill rates to consider. The order fill rate measures the percentage of orders completely fulfilled. The line fill rate measures the percentage of order lines delivered in full. The unit fill rate measures the percentage of total units shipped without back orders. Each provides a different perspective on how well inventory meets demand. By analyzing turnover ratios and fill rates together, businesses can make informed decisions about inventory policies. For example, a company with a high turnover ratio but a low fill rate may be operating too lean, causing frequent stockouts. Conversely, a low turnover ratio with a high fill rate may indicate excess inventory or poor demand forecasting. The ideal situation is a balanced approach, maintaining enough stock to meet demand efficiently without overinvesting in inventory. Technology plays an important role in monitoring these KPIs. Modern inventory management systems and analytics platforms can track real-time sales, stock levels, and fulfillment performance. Predictive algorithms can even forecast the impact of changes in demand, helping managers optimize reorder points and safety stock levels to maintain ideal turnover and fill rates. In summary, turnover ratios and fill rates are essential indicators of inventory efficiency and customer service performance. A high turnover ratio ensures capital is used effectively, while a strong fill rate guarantees customer satisfaction. By managing both carefully, businesses can achieve operational excellence, balancing efficiency, responsiveness, and profitability in their inventory management strategy.